staff. Okay, so my thesis is entitled Stress Level of Nursing Students in Sulu. Firstly, on the description and work methods and methodology, the researcher is motivated to conduct this study, find out the major stress level of nursing students, most especially in the province of Sulu. Just like in any other educational institution, the local colleges and universities in Sulu also demand same load in academic and clinical areas. Hence, nursing students in Sulu are experiencing stressful events expectedly when burdened with workloads both in academic and clinical area, which may not be conducive to their learnings. The findings of the study will be significant in designing an accurate stress management package for nursing students in Sulu. For the researcher utilized a constructed questionnaires as a tool, self-constructed questionnaire, as a tool to collect data on the school stress level of nursing in Sulu. Further, focus group discussion with interview guide questions was conducted to the 10 nursing students to gather relevant information on the school stress level to further enhance the self-constructed questionnaire. On the methodology, methods used and methodology, a quantitative descriptive research method was used to identify the school's stress level of nursing students in Sulu. A cross-sectional design or a type of study design was also adopted in this study to measure the outcome and the exposure in study of participants at the same time. The data of the study came from primary sources, which were the level 2 nursing students from Notre Dame Private School, the Sulu State College Government School, Mindanao State University Government School, and Southwestern Islamic Institute Private School here in our local town. Aside from the utilization of self-constructed questionnaire as a tool to collect data on school stress level of nursing students in Sulu, extensive reviews of literature were done to formulate the self-constructed questionnaires. Further, focus group discussion with the interview guide questions was conducted to the 10 nursing students, as mentioned above, to gather relevant information on the school stress to further enhance the self-constructed questionnaire. The context of the questions have been of two parts. The first part was the 3 dimensions of school stress, which are the academic stress, related nursing experience, and the environment stress, such as school environment and the home environment. The second part was the level of stress, the adaptation, which can be adaptive and ineffective. On the graphical analysis and data presentation, this section reflects the results of the study on school stress level of nursing students in Sulu, level of adaptation to school stress, and significant predictions to the level of adaptation to school stress. The data presented is more on the academic stress. So for the overall mean score of 4.9 indicate that majority of the respondents were stressed with all the enumerated academic stress circumstances. Particularly, the respondents had high stress if they get lower grades in their examinations, with a mean of 0.5, 5.05, and then standard deviation of 1.15, and failed to attend their classes, mean of 5.03, and standard deviation of 1.15. They also reported that they were slightly stressed if they have not studied during examination with a mean of 5.303 and standard deviation of 0.93. For these results and discussion, the study sought to determine the school stress level of nursing students in Sulu, level of adaptation to school stress, and significant predictor to the level of adaptation to school stress of nursing students in Sulu. The sources of data were delivered to students, as mentioned before, from the 4 schools: the Notre Dame, the Sulu State College, Mindanao State University, and Southwestern Mindanao Islamic Institute. The data gathering was done by using self-constructed questionnaires and extensive review made out from the focus group discussion and extensive review of related literature. A quantitative descriptive research method was employed and cross-sectional survey design. Multiple sampling techniques, such as the convenience purposive sampling and sampling proportion, were also utilized. In conclusion, majority of the nursing students had high stress in academic stress, school environment stress, and home environment stress, and had a very high stress in related learning experience stress. The nursing students' level of adaptation was slightly high. So there were significant predictors to the level of adaptation to school stress of nursing in Sulu with a p-value of 0.002 significant at 5% level. It was also generally found that the predictors to the model had linear relationship with the R equals to 0.354. Therefore, the finding of the study will be significant in designing an accurate stress management package for nursing students in Sulu. And that's all for my presentation. Before I end, my heartfelt thanks to the privilege given and for spending an ample of time listening to these presentations of mine. Thank you.